Milestone Mafia. Alright, we're here at the premiere of the While You Were Sleeping by A Ma Maniere. And yeah, that rhyme.
Now listen, that's called motherfucking bars. You know nothing about that.
A 5-month journey. We are finally about to drop this movie, so go ahead and kick back, get your popcorn, because as promised, it will be a movie. Great day, Milestone Mafia. Welcome back to Things and Stuff. I'm your host, Ja.
Listen to me very carefully. There are 3 ways of doing things around here. The right way, the wrong way, and the way that I do it.
And as always, humbly inspired for every pair of eyes watching, every pair of ears listening. And today, besides the thumbnail and description, you've been tuning in for the past couple of months, so you know what it is. But just in case you were sleeping,
That's the joke.
I finally present to you the A Ma Maniere While You Were Sleeping collection. Alright, so what's up with this release? Founded by James Whitner, A Ma Maniere, one of the arms of his Whitaker group, is celebrating their 10th anniversary. In collaboration with Nike and Jordan brand, Maniere has told some of the most thought-provoking and unapologetic stories of the Black experience with S-tier visuals. Kind of the thing that we expect when news of these releases hit the internet streets. This time, they take off on a whole nother level, releasing an entire collection of sneakers accompanied with a short film called While You Were Sleeping. Listen, y'all, I saw the premiere last night and it does not disappoint. As a matter of fact, I kind of felt a deeper connection to this particular story more than normal. As a creator myself, I felt like I was in the shoes of the main character. And you know what? The message landed. It wasn't heavy-handed and it didn't pull any punches either. And I gotta be honest, striking that balance in and of itself is an achievement all its own. The film was directed by the Turner brothers and starred Deja Reddick. I'm sorry, I don't know how I pronounce the name. But his IG is D_evolution. Go on and check him out. He did a fantastic job of portraying the audience's point of view, bouncing his talent off of a ton of cameos from the creative community, from the likes of J-Tips, Aria Hughes, Bima Williams, Jeremy Clowney, and a handful more. But to me, Mel Mitchell was the standout. She definitely understood the assignment and brought her sense of humor that got some genuine chuckles from me. She got a new fan. The plotline was a Da Vinci Code style treasure hunt in which the mission was to disrupt the efforts of the Creative Resource Authority looking to implement a black tax on creatives. Come to find out, the key to cracking this code and breaking through was collaboration. A creative resistance group, if you will. If you're a creator of any type, go see this movie. It's low-key energizing.
The title alone gets 2 snaps up.
So now we know what the shoes represent. Let's have a look. The packaging blew my mind the first time I saw it. You're meant to see the Jordan logo prominently, but it reveals the other brands that are a part of the collection. Of course, if you're not paying attention, you might miss that the center logo changes depending on the shoe in the box. A10 Celebration logo up top, and opening up the box comes off like a Legend of Zelda power-up with the silver monogrammed roof. Now, the first shoe released in the collection was the Jordan 3, which is essentially the black version of the Jordan 3 raised by women, of course, which was the 2021 sneaker of the year. Basically just coming out the gates firing, saying that they're not playing around.
He ain't playing. You think he playing?
Deep black tumbled leather with a thick suede, replacing your standard J3 elephant print. Matte black tab connected to the sail midsole, matching the Nike Air on the back. The materials and attention to detail are like a calling card for the Maniere collection, from the monogram on the back of the tongue, insole, and even an Easter egg under the insole, which can be found on the other pairs as well. Next was the Jordan 39, and I've never felt this way about a performance basketball shoe. Stop playing like this isn't beautiful. From the monogram underlay covered by the splash pattern done in this silk-like material, branding on the arch, color on the translucent outsole sets the whole thing off. I've worn these at the gym a couple of times and they are super comfortable. It is mind-blowing how they can elevate the material so much and still get the tech right. This is Pillsbury Doughboy Soft. Jordan 39 itself is designed with Jordan's signature cross step in mind. And behind the tongue, Maniere didn't forget about that either. And then we got the Jordan 4 in this exquisitely gorgeous colorway. Some of the jokes I saw online about these were hilarious though. Light skin version of the original is crazy, y'all. But they made some changes with the hairy suede on the toe cap. Code branding on the tongue is embossed. Quilted sock liner. But my favorite detail is the monogramming under the cage. I love details that are strictly for the end user. Like if I'm just walking by, you are not gonna notice that. You will only know that that exists if you have these in hand. The fourth release was the Air Max 95, and I'm telling you, this sneaker got a bad rap. Like I get it, we had our hearts set on an all suede shoe. Yes, I get it. But I'm telling you, see these in person, please believe it. See, look, suede. Laser printing is a very nice touch, and that 3M hit is fire. Air Max 95 style branding patch on the tongue, really digging the outsoles too. Not gonna lie, I really wish this came with standard Air Max 95 lace loops, but these are most assuredly board approved. The Air Force One was the release that I was looking forward to the most, and what can I say? 10 out of 10, no notes. Colorway, fire. Accents, fire. Milky outsole, fire. And that branding.
Look what I have created!
Like if you can't appreciate this one, then Air Force Ones weren't for you in the first place, you know what I'm saying? And lastly, we got the Converse Weapon Low. Maniere's first collab with the star, and I can tell by how these came out that the design team was over the moon trying to take on this challenge. The branding, very understated.
Very demure, very mindful.
This is my favorite part. Just super clean. I understand that Converse may not be the hypest brand, but you know, while you were sleeping, the low version of the Converse Weapon has a lot of potential. And these 6 make 20 releases with Nike and Jordan brand. Technically 22, the ones I don't have are all friends and family. Y'all, I see so many parallels between James Whitner's story and my story, which is really what connects me to the brand the way that it does. Beyond the fact that I'm super hard-headed and I always want to do things my way. Seeing someone overcome bad life choices and becoming a testimony is gonna do it for me every single time. And he's not stopping there. In the film, he showcased a few what's next moments with the launch of his location at Folly Beach in South Carolina, an upcoming website which I assume follows the theme of collaboration and connecting creators. But this new A Ma Maniere headquarters being constructed in Atlanta, I went there after the event and this thing is no joke, y'all. This is a massive undertaking. 2 retail floors, 2 residential floors, a restaurant, and a rooftop area. And that's what I'm talking about, y'all. Think big, man. Sky's the minimum.
Oh, say less.
Alright, y'all, so there we have it. 5 months in the making. And it's not over yet. Stay tuned for my very own While You Were Sleeping, even shorter film at the end of this video.
Seriously, do it.
I had a vision, I made it a reality. And y'all know what I say. There's no greater accomplishment than to say that you're gonna do a thing and do that thing. So y'all, keep grinding, keep celebrating the achievements of others. Keep counting your milestones, no matter how big or small. To quote a line from the movie, the thing that makes you different will take you far.
Message.
With that being said, if you want to become a friend of mine, go ahead and like the video, drop a comment down below. Tell me what you thought about the collection. Did you pick up any from the collection? Did you watch the movie? Have you, small or large, hit any milestone while everybody else was sleeping? And of course, you could become a friend of ours by subscribing and hitting that bell notification so you know every single time the Milestone Mafia is leaning on that algorithm. Next up, we got the Things and Stuff Top 10 Sneakers of the Year dropping next week, so be on the lookout for that. And I gotta say this, of all of the Sneaker of the Year lists that I've seen so far, my #1 shoe isn't on any of the lists at all so far.
How, Sway?
But other than that, I want you to remain blessed, highly favored. I'll stay with 10 fingers and 10 toes as I present to you in less than 10 seconds what Ja be up to while you were sleeping. Enjoy.
On the keys, rock. on the keys.